How to charge your crystals for beginners. Crystals are a significantly important part of the spiritual world. Many people think that the spiritual energy found within crystals can aid in physical healing, and many use crystals to attain mental and spiritual serenity. However, from time to time, crystals need to be recharged and needs their energy restored. Watch the video till the end as we tell you how to charge your crystals for beginners. Used to calm the mind, body, and spirit, crystals have energy properties that radiate the Earth's inherent vibrations. Almost all the crystals frequently travel a significant distance from the source to the vendor. Each change exposes the stone to energies that might not be in harmony with yours. In the mystic world, it is quite understood that crystals absorb or reroute the negativity you're trying to shed when they're utilized for healing. The only method to return your crystal to its original state is to regularly cleanse and recharge your stones. Crystals have a propensity to retain the energy that is exposed to them, which isn't always advantageous. According to mystics, if you use a crystal for protection, the stone is absorbing the energy it is shielding you from. Because of this, it's crucial to release any negative energy your crystal has gathered. It needs refueling, just as our bodies require refueling by sleeping each night, as cleansing your crystal's energetic slate is a part of charging it. Crystals can be charged to replenish the force that gives them their grounding and power after being cleansed to remove negativity. By programming crystals, you can harmonize your energy with theirs so that they can assist you in achieving your objectives. There are many different ways to charge crystals, so choosing the optimal one for you might be somewhat challenging. However, you need to keep in mind that every crystal is different and has specific needs. The full moon. The full moon is a wonderful way to cleanse and energize your favorite stones. To charge a crystal with lunar energy, all you have to do is leave it outside on the ground during the course of a full moon night. Additionally, you can also create your own moon water in order to charge your crystals. With moon water, you can either submerge your crystals for about an hour, or you can simply pour the moon water on top of your crystal. This method can only be used for crystals that can withstand being wet. The earth. The next way for beginners to charge their crystals is to bury them in the ground for the night to allow them to reestablish their bond with the earth. If you don't have a garden, don't panic. An indoor plant with soil can still be effective. An important thing for all beginners is that whether you are utilizing them for their medicinal powers or to enhance some type of energy, it is advised to use this method to cleanse and charge them to get the most power out of your crystals. As when your crystals are fully charged, you will be able to make the most out of them in whatever way you need. Burn herbs. Other than using moon and earth, many mystics like burning herbs to energize crystals. In order to do this, pass your stones through the smoke of sacred herbs, such as sage, sweetgrass, or cedar, for 2 to 3 minutes to purify them. Apart from that, you can also use salt, ideally sea salt, to energize them. Just submerge the stone in salt and leave it there for the night. Always remember that this technique should be avoided when working with softer stones like calcite, opal, and turquoise because they are prone to scratching. The power of visualization. The final way for beginners to charge their crystals is by the power of visualization. To charge your stone with visualization, visualize a vast, healing light engulfing your crystal until all of its previous energy has been eliminated. Watch the light grow until it fills your palms and surrounds the stone. Declare that the stone will be cleansed of all negativity and dissolved. Furthermore, your stone can benefit from a little energetic activation if it seems heavier than you had anticipated. Consider giving it some of your own energy by talking to it, singing to it, or breathing life force energy into it. A little interaction can certainly make a big difference. Many individuals discover that letting the stone absorb energy from nature at a park or on the beach has a potent impact. Alternatively, you can also encircle the stone with its more energizing equivalents to produce an activation grid. It is worth mentioning that you can link your crystals with any spiritual guides or deities you may work with. You might take a moment to ask your guides to connect with your crystals and your goal for them through prayer or meditation. All in all, there is always a gemstone to help, from fostering your creativity to providing you with a fresh viewpoint to help you calm down. However, we would only be able to hold them for longer if we charge them at regular intervals and expose them to more energy. Always make sure to clear your stones so they are not containing any residual negativity. Taking the time to establish an intention for your stone can help you connect with its energy and reclaim your sense of direction. It is no wonder that charging your crystal, usually with grounding energy drawn from the elements found in nature, can certainly do wonders for you and your mental and spiritual health. That's it from today's video. We hope you enjoyed the content of the video, and if you did, show some love and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on any of the amazing videos we have in store for you.